how to make a magic ring. A magic ring is one of the most popular stitches used in amigurumi projects to start an amigurumi project or any project that is crocheted in circles. To make a magic ring, you will need your hook and you will need your yarn. I'm using a 4 mm hook and a medium weight yarn. You will take your fingers this way and roll your yarn around the fingers. 2 fingers, roll it around 2 fingers and loop it till you have an X. Hold it tight here. Okay, so you have an X and you've pulled your. Now you will take your hook, go underneath one of the X, the lower part of the X, and pull the up top yarn below and twist like this. Okay, then you will go underneath the yarn and pull through, and this is your magic ring made. And you can tighten your magic ring. Once your magic ring is made, you will add any kind of stitch you want. If you want to make a single crochet, you will go inside the loop, pull through and pass through both like you normally do. But since this is a magic ring lesson, let us do it again. You will keep your fingers this way, your yarn, one end of your yarn will be here, put it around and make an X. 2 of your fingers, make it X. Make an X, you will have an X like here, and hold the other end with the little finger. Take your hook, go underneath the bottom of your X, pull the top part and make a twist here. Then go underneath the yarn. This is your top part. Go underneath the yarn that you're holding with your little finger and pull it through. This stitch takes some time to get used to. In fact, it's probably one of the most difficult basic stitches to learn, and so practice is extremely important for this stitch. Let me show you again. Keep your fingers like this, 2 of your fingers, one end of your yarn, put it through like this, hold the yarn here, make an X, hold the back part of your yarn with this little finger like this. Now you have an X that is being made. Use your hook, pass it through the bottom of the X. Let's think of it as the bottom. Then pull the top part below the bottom part and make a twist. Do you see? Let me show you again if I do. You went underneath the bottom, then you pulled the top part and then you twisted it. You twisted it here. Okay. Then you go back to the main yarn that you have, put your hook underneath that yarn and pull through this way. Sorry for the and now your magic ring will be made. This is your magic ring. This is the loop, the other end which you will use to close the magic ring. Keep practicing. This one is a little hard to learn, so please make sure that you practice this one. Happy crocheting. Bye.